Hello everyone, myself Arshad Murtaza and welcome to my channel AI Arshad Lab. I am an IIT Delhi graduate and right now I am building skills in AI engineering and DevOps related field. I started this channel to share my journey. Here I will also explain the AI concept and AI related project in very simple manner. So on this channel I will talk about Python, AI, LLM, RAG, AI agents, Agentic AI, and many other things, and DevOps part related to AI. So, if you are interested in AI engineering related field content, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.